First, log into S.M.A.R.T. Once you log in, the user is going to land on this My Account page. In this My Account page, you can view the name, the password, email, and phone number. Any field with a pencil can be modified. On the top right, there is account information including the user logged in, date registered, and date last modified. In the left sidebar, there is the shipping page. You could ship from an existing address or create a ship from address. Below that, there is the simple integration RTS, which is request to send. To use RTS, type in the information here. Ship to address supports single or multiple addresses. Click M for a single address, or S to switch back to multiple. Click the icon next to M to choose from the database for single or multiple addresses. For single addresses, select from the list here and press OK. You can also enter the information manually. Whenever you see a green line in the beginning of the box, those fields are required. These fields are required. For this example, we will select a user from the database. The shipping information has auto-populated. At the bottom, you have the option to configure notification options. This is where you can enter the recipient or third-party email address in order to receive notifications on events that happen with the package. For this example, we're going to leave blank. Press OK and then cancel. Package detail is the field where a customer can type information manually or get it from a scale. To know what scale is connected, click on the arrow next to get weight. In this case, the BCA scale is connected, which is the Mettler-Toledo scale. If there's no weight on the scale, you can reset the weight. If there is something on the scale, click Get Weight. Dimensions are required by the post office. If you enter the weight manually or use a scale, you must also enter dimensions manually. However, selecting a carrier package under Package Type fills this information automatically. In this example, go to the FedEx tab, select an option, and click OK. In the top right corner, a FedEx envelope is selected and the dimensions auto-populated. Next, we have the total package count, which is 1 for this example. If it is just one package, press Enter and it will continue to the next step. If you have multiple packages such as 2 and hit Enter, a question prompt will appear. It will ask if all the packages are identical in weight and size. Yes will continue the process. If No is selected, a box will pop up. To the right, check the package that you want to enter information for. Like before, click Get Weight to get the weight from the scale or enter it manually. Again, you can enter the dimensions manually or have it auto-populate by selecting an item and package type. Once you click Apply, it will fill in the information for that package. Select Save once done. Since FedEx is selected, the next field is Select Service. This gives you options including the cheapest way or how fast you want the package to get to the destination. For this example, select Express and then OK. Next, select your shipping date. Billing in FedEx has different options. A sender, a recipient, a third party, or collect on ground can pay for this billing. For this example, select Sender. For more options, select Modify Extra Services. To add any extra services, check the box and select OK. If not, select Cancel. For accounts, this is not a required field, but you can enter information if desired. For reference fields, you can add a reference you want to put in the package. This will print on the label. You can view the package charges and then select Process Shipment.